Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. As a teacher, my role is to teach your minds, touch your hearts, and transform your language. These are the responsibilities I hold dear. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. I am Teacher Rizel, and I had the privilege of teaching since 2016, right after I graduated. I've been teaching face-to-face, and I truly enjoy the connection with my students. I'm very excited to start this journey with you as your English teacher. Together, we will work on strengthening your skills and improving your ideas in English. I look forward to seeing you in my class, where we'll learn and grow together. See ya!